Okay, came out to Bastrop. Beautiful, beautiful morning. It just got done raining. The lightning show coming down here was amazing. And I picked the spot because it was forecast to have light winds from the south, and we got some pretty strong winds from the north. I'm hoping after that storm kind of finally pushes through, those winds will lay down and we'll have a nice day. Beautiful morning, man. Hope we get into them. Okay, here's my setup. I'm gonna go with this little brown, or excuse me, gray, kind of grizzly fly, bead head, and I got on sinking leader, and then kind of my normal setup with the 11 weight rod, 11 weight line, etc. Here with Jeremy today. I'm just gonna mess around. Oh, look, right there, they're already jumping. I'm just gonna mess around here while we're waiting for him to get ready. Alright, well, I've been seeing them jump right over here. So once Jeremy gets over here, we'll probably head that way. Let's try this little point while we're waiting. It's only about 6 feet deep right here. And what I have found on this lake is when it's windy, the fish go to the calm spots. A lot of times you hear, oh, we go to the wind-blown shore. This lake, I have not found that to be true. Alright, I'm putting on this monstrosity here, double hook. This thing always seems to do well here. So, I'm going to give it a couple of quick tosses right here. Ooh! And we'll see if it was my fly or if it was this location. And that wind is shifting directions yet again. I think it's that storm. Hopefully it'll swap around to the south and it'll get lighter. We'll see. Alright, well, the wind shifted directions again, and it's now kind of coming in from the east. It was coming in directly this way, now it's coming this way. So I think as that storm pushes through, it's gonna, those winds are gonna switch around to the south. So we'll take advantage of the fact that it's pretty calm against this other shoreline over here, and we'll fish this and the other side. And then after those winds shift directions, we'll probably go down by the dam or something. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, I put on yet another fly. I'm trying to figure out what it is these fish will eat. So we got this little tiny spinner. I've tried every color, size, shape. I had what felt like a couple of nudges on this earlier, so I'm hoping just maybe I can get something here. All right, finally got a fish. And that was out in deeper water. Ooh, he's just a little guy, but we got one, finally. Yeah, right on the tongue. Oh, there's first blood, a little tiny guy. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, it's 8 feet deep here. Oh, 9 feet. Looks like there's some stuff on the bottom down there. rock piles or what. But... oh, look right there, they're going crazy. Oh, come on. They're still hanging around. If they are, they'll take my fly. Got him. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. The first time we got them when they're schooling, and we actually got one. Ooh. Nice. And that was in almost 9 feet of water. There you go. Ah, just a little guy. Thank you. Oh man, we just got a nice bass here. Oh shoot, and he came off. Shoot, that was right in the middle there. All right, well, let's see if we can go get another one. Huge. Yeah, that was right out in the current. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I ended up with 3. I think Jeremy ended up with 1. So super slow today. Frustrating as all get out because they were jumping everywhere. You'd cast right in the middle of them and nothing. Tried, I don't know, probably 10 different flies and nothing seemed to work. Yeah, just super frustrating day, but still better than a bad day on the water. Still better than a good day at work. Plus the weather was really beautiful, and the scenery out here is fantastic. So from that standpoint, good day on the water. Just wish we would have got a lot more fish. Oh, can't wait to come back and try it again. Till next time.